Hi everyone, this is a video about how to make sure you are turning in an assignment and how to make sure it's done. So when you log into your class website, there's a couple ways you can do this. The first one is to simply click on your overdues button. And any assignments that you are missing will be coming up as overdue. If you want to make sure what you're missing, you can click here, but you can check grades in that grades tab as well. But say we click here and we want to turn in this Tell Me a Story assignment. You'll see that the instructions are always going to be attached to the assignments. So we could click there in order to turn it in. If it's a discussion post or a quiz, you can click on those. Those are different, but for a big assignment, an assignment folder we call it, you're going to click here. Or if you want to see all the assignments, you can go to Tools and then click Assignments. Once here, you'll see a list of all the assignments that you have due. And you'll notice I put instructions for each one right below it, so you can open those as well. When you're ready to turn it in, you can click on the folder. Now you'll see a few different things. It has a place for the instructions. You'll see the rubric that I'm using to grade it. And then you'll have a place you can add a file to submit it. You'll click My Computer. You'll click wherever you are getting a file from. So say this is where this is the file I want to upload. I would click that file. Let's click that one. Say that's the one we want. We click Open. We say Add. And then you'll be able to upload that file. You'll see it's connected right here. Then if you scroll down on your screen, you'll see a Submit button. And once you put that Submit button in, it will submit that assignment for you. It'll tell you it did it, and email confirmation, you can click Done. Then, if you're like, oh, did I submit that? Did it work? You can look over here and you'll see now there's a number 1. Before it was 0 because there were no submissions. Now there's number 1, and if you want to see what you submitted, you can just click on that, and it will open up what you've submitted, and you can download and look at your submission as well. So that is how you turn in a submission. Again, you can go to Tools, Assignments. You'll see a list of all the big assignments you have due. Click on that assignment, then scroll down through the instructions, through the rubric, add the file that you want, and press Submit. Let me know if you have any questions or you need any help. Thanks.